Oh no. Am I seeing double here? Nope, apparently not. Last night I was working on streamlining. There's no fruits in here. The unpowered sports exoskeleton arms, or use arms, John McStud's frame. And this is about 1.5 hours of work faffing around trying to find PVC in this cavernous mess. And you can see I'm just about done. I just have to put the Waldo handles on at the elbow. If it'll get into focus. And then after that I just gotta rig up the cables, and then the second use arms will be all set. And why am I doing this? I'm going to be looking into actually selling these things on a website, probably Etsy or something like that, See what they go for, because Skeletonics, they sell their supposed arms and a pair of stilts for like $90,000, and I could substantially undercut them with my cheaper alternatives. So that would be kind of cool. Start selling actual giant robot bits and maybe actually get around to perfecting my stilt design. It's a little dark, but you can kind of see it, because these stilts are a lot easier to walk around in because I've got big feet, so you're less likely to fall down. And that will be all for this video. Next time, hopefully I'll have this all put together and I can show off the second use arm unit. So, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. So keep seeing double. Bye-bye.